In emergency alerting, precision is everything. That's why Alertable comes preloaded with geographic zones and municipal boundaries for every region, city, and town across Canada, ready to use when you need them. You can also draw and upload your own areas on the fly. In this video, we'll show you how to select from predefined areas. Draw detailed zones directly on the map, upload your own shapefiles, and attach static maps. Let's jump into Alertable and show you how it works. To get started, open Alert HQ and create a new alert. Select an appropriate alert scenario. For this example, I'm selecting wildfire under the fire category. This opens a new alert screen with editable fields. Fill in the details relevant to your event. Then, click Next to move to the location step. This takes you to the location selection page. First, you'll notice that you can select one or more predefined locations on the left. Although you can view locations for all of Canada in this demo, in practice, you would only see locations for your jurisdiction of responsibility. Now, what if you want to send an alert to a more specific area not in your predefined list? That's where drawing a shape on the map comes in. Let's say you want to draw a polygon shape. Click the polygon tool in the top right corner of the map under the Tools section. Then, click Points on the map to outline your custom zone. To complete the shape, click back on your starting point to close the loop. The selected area is now defined for this wildfire alert. When the polygon is selected, you'll see draggable grips appear along the edges. You can move or resize the shape by dragging these grips. This is especially helpful for fine-tuning the exact area. You'll also notice that the affected area name is automatically filled in based on the selected polygon. If you want to change it, simply click on the field and enter a custom name. For this example, I'll rename it North Calgary. To delete the polygon, make sure it's selected, then click the Delete tool in the top right corner of the map. It will reflect on the map. Now let's look at the second method for defining a custom zone, drawing a circle. This is useful when you need to alert people within a fixed distance from a central point, such as an industrial accident. To get started, click the Circle tool in the top right corner of the map. Then, click once to set the center point of your zone. Move your mouse outward to adjust the size of the circle, and click again to finalize it. Just like with polygons, once the circle is selected, draggable grips will appear. You can reposition the entire shape or resize it by dragging the edges. For more precision, you can also enter an exact value into the radius field in the top right corner of the screen. For this example, I'll set the radius to 15 kilometers. The affected area name will update automatically based on your selection, and you can rename it if needed. Just like with a polygon. I will skip that for now. To remove the circle, simply select it and click the Delete tool. The third method is uploading a shapefile or GIS file to define a custom zone. This is especially useful when your organization already has pre-mapped GIS boundaries, like flood zones, that you want to reuse. To upload a GIS file, sometimes called a shapefile, make sure you do not have a predefined location selected, since you cannot use the Upload Polygon feature if one is. Click the Upload icon in the top right corner of the Map Tools section. In the dialog box that appears, select Import Polygon. Next, click Choose File and select the shapefile from your computer. Once selected, click Import. The custom boundary will immediately appear on the map, and the affected area name will be auto-filled based on the uploaded shape. If you want to rename the area, simply click the name field and enter a custom name, just like with polygons and circles. To remove the shape, select it and click the Delete tool in the top right corner of the map. This method is ideal when you want consistency and speed, especially during high-pressure events where every second matters. Finally, you can upload a static map image from your computer or network. This is especially useful when you want to show more detailed map information than the standard map provides. To begin, you must geo-target the alert first, since the system cannot interpret the location from your map image. Do this by selecting a predefined location on the left. Then, click the Upload icon in the Map Tools and select Map Attachment. Next, click Choose File and upload your image file from your computer. Once uploaded, click Add and give your map a name. For this example, I'll name it Downtown Calgary Detour. When you click Done, your map image will appear instead of the standard map and shapes. Click Next to move to the Review section, and then click Preview to see how the alert will appear. This overlaid map is for reference only and doesn't affect how the alert is geo-targeted. It's simply an additional layer of information that can make a big difference during a response. Now, let's go back to the location selection section. If you want to remove the map, click the Delete button to remove the image. Whether you're drawing a custom polygon, creating a radius with a circle, attaching a static map, or uploading a predefined zone, Alertable gives you the tools to define exactly where your alert should go. At Alertable, we believe precision should be standard, because when every second matters, accuracy makes all the difference.